Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next part of video in the Playwright for JavaScript series. In the last video, we saw how to launch a Google Write application with the help of Playwright with Java. We launched in Chromium browser. Okay, so first we imported Chromium into the Playwright, and then we launched a browser with the help of chromium.launch, and we launched in headless mode. Next, we created a new page. Then we just printed other pages open. Next, we launched a URL with the help of goto method. And next one is we waited for 5 seconds. Then after that we closed the browser. Okay, so this is what we saw in the previous video. Okay, in this video we are going to see how we can launch with the other browsers. We launch with the Chromium browser. Now how we can launch with the other browsers. For example, there are other default browsers which we can launch it. For example, I'm adding in the same code Firefox. Okay, and I'm going to add WebKit also here. Okay, so I'm going to launch in Chromium, and I'm going to launch in Firefox, and I'm also going to launch in the WebKit also. Okay, so import Chromium, Firefox, and WebKit here. So now I'm going to try for here. Okay, so I'm just going to loop it and run it. Okay, for constant browser. Okay, type. Okay, of. Now I'm going to give all the three browsers here, so I'm just going to copy it. Okay, Firefox, Chromium, Firefox, Chromium, Firefox, and WebKit. Okay, so I'm going to launch in all the three browsers now. Okay, let's see how it goes. Okay, so I'm going to use for and I'm going to use it. I'm going to add a curly bracket here. Okay, so it's going to write to for constant browser of Chromium. First iteration is going to do with Chromium. Second iteration is going to try with Firefox, and third iteration is going to try with the WebKit. Okay, so now it's going to iterate with three browsers. Let's launch the run the code. For that, I'm just going to write. First, I should go to the test folder, cd test. Okay, now I'm going to run the same command which we used yesterday, launch. Okay, browser dot js. Okay, so I used launch browser dot js. Let me run it. Okay, first it should write launch in Chromium. Okay, first it launched in Chromium. Now it should close it and yeah, 1 minute. We need to add this, we need to add. Okay, instead of Chromium I need to give browser type. Okay, so first it's going to iterate Chromium, next is going to iterate Firefox, third is going to iterate WebKit. Okay, so now let's remove the other logs here. Console log page open. Okay, and URL launched. Okay, let's remove the other logs for the which we wrote in the previous code. Okay, now I'm just going to iterate. First I'm going to launch a browser type. First it's going to take Chrome, next Firefox, third WebKit, and next one is going to create a new page. Then it's going to print it which browser type is running, and next one is going to Google Chrome, and wait for 5 seconds and it's going to close. Okay, let me run the code now. Oh, I didn't save it. 1 minute, let me save it. Okay, so first I need to save this one. Let me run now. So it's running on Chrome first time. Okay. Second, it's running on the next browser, that is Firefox. And third time is running on the WebKit. You can see, right, it launched in all the three browsers. Okay, let me run again for you. Okay, so let me run. First it should iterate and run with Chromium. Second, it should iterate and run with Firefox, and third, it should run with the right WebKit. Okay, so all the three browser it is been launching. Okay, you can able to see, right, all the three browser it launched. Okay, for example, right, I want to run only with Firefox. For example, there is a scenario. First we launched, right, with the Chromium. Now we tested with different right browser. Suppose, right, there is a right a need, right, we need should launch only with the Firefox. Okay, let me just copy the code. Let us change there. Okay, let me go to Firefox, right, and just copy the code. Okay, and now let me change the import to only Chrome, Firefox. Okay, and then instead of I also remove the for right no. Okay, now what I do is, right, instead of browser type I give Firefox here. Okay, so this will launch in the Firefox. Okay, now I'll remove this one. Okay, let me save this one. Okay, and I'll give node. Okay, Firefox .js. Okay, so it will run only in that Firefox browser. Same we can launch in the WebKit also. Okay, so this is how we can launch a simple test, right, in Playwright with JavaScript with different browsers. Okay, so we can either iterate with all the browsers, or write whatever browser we want, we can launch it. Okay, hope you learned something out of this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Meet you soon in the next part of video. Bye.